Alright folks, thought we'd just have a quick look at the Rustler VXL 4x4. As I mentioned previously in the last video, last outing actually snapped the motor shaft off, so this is now pretty much fit for the bin, which is a shame. I tried to source a new shaft, couldn't find anything. I sent off for the warranty, but I bought this from AliExpress and I've not heard nothing back yet. So, but my friend who has decided to lend me this, which is very good of him. This is actually the original motor that came from this very car. So yeah, that's cool. And we'll just dig into it and see what we can see. I say it's funny because we were sending this thing pretty hard in the skate park, and it actually snapped when it was on flat ground, so it must have had a fracture in it and then it just finished itself off, like, which was a bit annoying. And there we go. As you can see, it's totally sheared off. So yeah, so that's no good anymore. Gutted. Unless any of you guys know, you know, if you can get a shaft. Oh, that's interesting actually. Look, the that screws come out of that. That's probably not helped it. Never noticed that because that's been tucked up. You know, that's been down underneath that as. That's actually dented the can as well. You can see that little dent there. So obviously where it's landed and it's smashed down. Interesting. Yeah, if anyone knows of any shafts, you can get hold of any, let me know. It's that's the model number there. EZ Run 3652 SLG2 4000 kV. Quite like this one because it's got the motor temp which goes with that ESC. We may as well dive inside and we have a look, being as it's trash anyway. Smaller than that again. Jeez, that's small. Tiny little Allen screws. These ones I'll do these ones first. See, that's quite loose. See how sealed these are because it looks immaculate in there, and it's definitely been submerged. It's definitely been wet in its time. So let's find a smaller bit for that. Yeah, it's pretty immaculate inside. Quality, you can just see the quality in the motors from that. So there's like a shield on that bit. Let's push this out. So there we go. It's a shame, man, because it's only the shaft that's bloody snapped. I'll do a bit more research, see if I can find one of these. Well, even interesting, actually. I won't nick it from the motor, obviously, because it's not mine, but it'd be interesting to see if the shaft did fit inside. Yeah. It'd be quite interesting. Let's just rip this one apart a minute and have a look. God, bloody hell. See, there's a bit sanded on that one. And this was in the sand slash, we call it. The magnets are so fucking strong. Oh, you bugger. Yeah. I don't want to get them too close to each other or anything because you never know, it might demagnetise it or something. Do you know what? I don't think that's going to be far off. I reckon that's going to bloody fit, you know. Let's just take that off there. I'll tell you what, I reckon that would work just fine. Even the washers seem to fit nice. Just the back cap. That fits in there good. If we try to spin this up, I reckon we should put this back on and try and spin it up and see what happens. Fits on there too, which is quite... hang on, is that... I was thinking this front one was going to be the issue. Yeah, look. That's annoying. Everything fits perfectly except from that front bit. Just not quite closing enough. We'll try one more go without any washers in there, and just that. Yeah, it's just not enough, guys. It's literally, I'd say, what, a mil. Actually, looking at it, that back shaft is slightly longer. That's what's doing it. See a difference there? That's the old one. That's the Hobby Bin one. That's the Traxxas one. Look. So I reckon you could be clever. I reckon you could grind that down. I'm not going to do it because it's not mine. If I bought it, I probably would be tempted to. But I reckon you could just grind that down a bit and it would fit in there fine because everything else is exactly the same. Yeah, anyway. Let's put this one back together. Try and get this back in there without losing my fingers. Ugh. God. I forget how strong those are. Tell you what, let's get rid of that sand and stuff on it. While it's off. These are good motors anyway, these Velinion, however you say it. Traxxas ones. They just run bloody hot. But they're good motors. Well, that's the old gear I rescued. So we'll pop that one on. Get a rough idea of where it's got to go. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's pretty spot on to me. Pop this back in. I've never had to worry too much about the mesh on this. I've just always done this one by eye. It doesn't seem to make any. Well, obviously, as long as it's not stupidly tight or anything, it doesn't seem to mind it. So you just want that little tiniest hint of slack, but not so much that if you brake hard or maybe it's going to slap around. There we go. Pretty good. Yeah. Fine. Kind of the old paper trick, you just put a piece of paper in there. Usually receipts are pretty good thickness of paper. Push it up tight, and I did try and sort this out, look, because I've snapped that hole there, which probably isn't good that moves like that. How good is it, guys? I think we just got to put a big washer on that or something, because there ain't a lot I can do with that. It's snapped. Longer screw in a washer, I reckon. 2 secs. Try and to spend anything on anything really at the minute because obviously quite unsure times. So we don't really want to go wasting money on parts that can be bodged up for now. Right, let's try that one. Too tight, but there we go. That's that. Fixed. Fixed is fixed. Right, just get the battery. Just to try it. Just fix one in here. Let's give it a whirl. Remote. Rustler remote. Battery's going flat, but it doesn't matter. Oh, we've come unbound somehow. Okay. What do you bind these again? Is it the set button? I don't bloody remember. I think it's a set button and then press the little doofer on the... Turn this on first with that held in. And hold the set button. There we go. Cool. Alright, it's actually going the right way. Sweet. That noise is that fan, it's broken. Too many hard landings, that is. Now we've got the time, we could probably take that off. Sort that out. Well, at least we know the motor's working fine. Put that back together the correct way around. That's that. That's pretty much it then, guys. I'm just trying to keep a bit of content going. Obviously we're not going to be out much, if at all, while all this, well, that's a bit of a pain, I have to trim that out as far as business is going on, so I'm just trying to do what I can do, really. But yeah, thanks for watching. Try and make it a bit more interesting soon if I can. If I can sneak out maybe just by myself, there's no harm in that, is there? But yeah, take it easy guys, stay safe, bye.